So, what if I told you that one of the most powerful AI research assistants ever made is a tool most people have never even heard of? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a secret weapon from Google that is completely changing the game for learning, creating, and researching.
Just let that sink in for a minute. An AI that doesn't just scrape the huge, messy, open internet, but instead learns from your world, your documents, your ideas, your knowledge. What if you could literally have a conversation with your own personal library?
Well, you can. That's exactly what this tool does. It's called Notebook LM, and it's been quietly getting better and better while all the big-name AIs were stealing the spotlight. It really is Google's hidden gem.
Okay, so what is Notebook LM exactly? While everyone's been focused on things like ChatGPT and Gemini, Notebook LM has been doing something, well, kind of revolutionary. This isn't just about answering random questions. It's about deeply understanding your personal knowledge base.
At its core, it's an AI platform for note-taking and, this is the key part, for reasoning. It is built from the ground up to take all of your raw material, your notes, articles, those PDFs you've saved, and help you connect the dots and generate brand new insights pretty much automatically.
And what it can do is incredibly practical. I mean, you can toss a super dense 50-page PDF at it and get a perfect summary in seconds. It can create a whole Q&A study guide from your meeting notes. Heck, it can even create a structured outline or a script for an explainer just like this one, all while intelligently finding the connections between all the different documents you've given it. If you're trying to wrap your head around it, this is probably the best way to think about it. It's got the conversational smarts of ChatGPT, the deep dive power of a Google search, and the organizational skills of something like Notion AI. But here's the secret sauce. Its entire universe is your content and nothing else.
So how does it all work? Well, the process is beautifully simple, and it solves one of the single biggest problems with AI today: hallucinations. You know, when AI just makes stuff up. Let's look at how this thing builds a system you can actually trust.
It's really just a simple three-step dance. First, you feed it your sources: Google Docs, PDFs, raw text, you name it. Second, it instantly reads and digests everything, building a private, secure knowledge base just for you. And finally, you just start talking to it. Ask it to summarize, explain, or create something new based on the information it now intimately knows.
And this right here is the crucial point. Every single answer Notebook LM gives you is grounded in the documents you provided. It has to be, and it proves it by showing you citations, telling you exactly where it got the information. This isn't an AI guessing based on the internet. It's a research assistant that actually shows its work. It literally cannot hallucinate.
So, of course, this leads to the big question. Is it smarter than ChatGPT? Well, that's kind of like asking if a hammer is smarter than a screwdriver. They're just different tools designed for completely different jobs. This comparison really makes it crystal clear. Notebook LM is laser-focused on accuracy. Its reasoning is strictly source-based, which makes it absolutely perfect for research and analysis where facts are everything. ChatGPT, on the other hand, roams the entire web and is amazing at creative tasks, brainstorming, and coming up with totally new ideas. One is a researcher, the other is a creator.
And people are already putting this to incredible use. We're talking about students putting together research reports 10 times faster, journalists using it to instantly verify facts against a stack of source documents, content creators scripting out their ideas, and researchers taming these massive data sets by turning them into clean, concise summaries.
All right, let's make this even more real. I want to walk you through a quick, real-world example just to show you the sheer speed and power of this tool when you put it to work.
So imagine your boss asks you to create a presentation on the latest AI tools for automation. It's a pretty common task for anyone in tech or business these days, right?
Okay, so you go and you gather your sources. You've got 5 really solid articles, maybe a research paper or 2. You just select them and you drop them into a new notebook. That's it.
And here's the mind-blowing part. In about 5 seconds, no joke, literally the time it takes to drag and drop some files, Notebook LM has read and understood everything. The heavy lifting has already started.
And the results are instant. It gives you this comprehensive brief, synthesizing all 5 of those sources. It might pull out a key insight you would have totally missed. Something like, hey, Article 2 and Paper 4 both say that while Python automation is still big, new low-code platforms are grabbing market share way faster than anyone predicted. Then, it might suggest smart follow-up questions like, what security concerns are raised about those low-code tools in these sources? And, of course, every single point has a citation. That kind of insight used to take hours of manual work. Now it takes seconds.
So by now, you're probably thinking, okay, I need this. How do I get my hands on it? The good news is you can try what I seriously think is going to be one of the smartest and most essential AI tools of the next year, and you can try it right now.
Right now, it's available through Google Labs. Just go to notebooklm.google, sign in with your Google account, and you're in. It's still technically in an early access phase, but it's rolling out globally so you can jump in and start building your own personal AI brain today.
So let's just zoom out for a second. Why does this matter so much? Because this isn't just another productivity app, not by a long shot. This represents a fundamental shift in how we work with information. We are looking at the future of personalized learning.
You see, the true power here is that it grows with you. The more you feed it your projects, your research, your notes from books, the smarter your version of this AI gets. You are literally building a private, Google-powered assistant that is trained exclusively on what matters to you.
And mark my words, if you are a student, a creator, a researcher, an innovator, any kind of knowledge worker, really, this is a tool you absolutely need to know about. It is poised to become a completely indispensable part of how we all work.
If this deep dive was helpful and you want to stay way ahead of the curve on the tech that's shaping our world, make sure you subscribe. It's one click that could genuinely change how you learn and work for good.
And now I really want to hear from you. What's another game-changing tool or platform that you think deserves its own deep dive explainer? Drop your ideas in the comments below. We read every single one, and your suggestion might just be our very next topic. Thanks for watching.